What up, you guys? Thank you for tuning into another episode with the Country Slicker. The Calgary 4x4 Freaks campfire. It's going to be sick. It's going to be so much fun. We got a bonfire going. The stack of logs is huge and everybody's out. We got people out from, we got Calgary, we got Edmonton, Red Deer, all surrounding area. Thank you to everybody for coming out. Thank you for having us. But yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna have some drinks tonight. We're gonna go party with the vehicles. We got the 4x4s out, we got the side-by-sides out, quads, dirt bikes, everything. So stay tuned, we're gonna have some fun. What are you saying, buddy? Calgary 4x4 Freaks annual bonfire. What are you saying?
Honestly, this is not the annual bonfire because we had one in February up at TransAlta. But you know what? This one's going to be bigger. It's going to be better. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of cool trucks out here. A lot of cool rigs.
Can you see a little bit of fun happening tonight?
A little bit of fun, man. I already broke my winch doing some fun. So, you know what?
All right. Cheers.
Drinks on, boy.
Boom. Yo, we're here with Simon here, captain of 4x4 Freaks. Absolutely. Yeah. What do you say, man? Best night ever or what? What do you think?
I'd say this fire's juicy pretty good. I'd say.
Thank you to everybody that came out this weekend. What a fun time. The bonfire was sweet. We had some fun time on the quads. We had fun in the Jeeps. Everything was awesome. Thank you everybody for coming out. Thank you for watching this video. If you're still watching, please hit that subscribe button. Show some support. We always appreciate it. And yeah, we're going to be back next time. And for everybody that's watching, give Grant a follow too. Thanks guys. Country Slicker out.